What's up guys, here we're in a new video, and this video we are going to be talking about ChatGPT, OpenAI. This is the future. So what is ChatGPT and how does it work? ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI and launched back then in November 2022. GPT means Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It uses language model to generate responses to user input. GPT is a type of deep learning model that has been pre-trained on large amount of textual data and can generate coherent and contextually relevant text in response to a given prompt. In a minute, I will demonstrate how to use ChatGPT for almost everything. But before then, let's talk about this. You should know ChatGPT can be trained on a wide range of topics, from general chit-chats to more specialized domains like customer service, technical assistance. It can answer your questions, write copy or draft an email. It can even hold conversations. One thing that impresses me the most is using GPT for chatbots is that they generate responses that are more natural sounding and human-like than basic scripted chatbots. It is designed to generate accurate human-like responses. So now, let's see how it works. The first thing you need to do is go to the Play Store or App Store and get the app called Ask AI. So once you get the app, this is it right here, launch it. So this is a really amazing app. There are a lot of apps like this, but I recommend this one. So make sure to go check out this one. This is the subscription fee, but we are not going to pay for anything right now. So cancel and then write your message. Let's say, what is artificial intelligence? So it begins to bring out the answers to your questions. This is the response, and this is well detailed and well explained. So you can pick out some things you want here and maybe just submit it as an assignment or whatsoever you want to use it for. There are a lot of questions you can ask this. So let's just tap on cancel. Oh, it won't cancel till you finish. Okay, here we are. Cancel. Then maybe, what is agriculture? What is agriculture? So this is also it. Even though we made a mistake while spelling the word agriculture, it still fetches out the information we need. So this is really amazing, very amazing, because it gives you well detailed explanations, well detailed responses that you won't get from Google or any other search engine or any other website. So this is really amazing. You can ask millions of questions or even maybe billions, and it will get you the correct answers. So make sure to go try out this. Some of these applications you can only ask maybe 5 questions and then you have to pay. But for this one, it's really working well for now. I don't know if we are going to maybe make a change to the app so that you have to pay before using it. So I think that's all for the video. Make sure to go get your ChatGPT app on your mobile phone. I will leave a link in the description for some apps. Some you need to subscribe before using it, but some are free, so I will leave the free versions one in the description of the video. Make sure to click and go check. Until then, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace.